Hey friends, this is Peter, and I'm so excited to be launching The Growth Year, a limited 12-episode podcast that takes just minutes of your day. Your position has just been eliminated. In the last few years post-pandemic, corporate employees are finding themselves out of work for extended periods of time. Union strikes upending TV and film. Off-Broadway shows touting stable employment closing overnight. The role of work in our lives has never been put more into question. What was considered a bedrock for stability has now turned into uncertainty. What do we do in the absence of work? How do we get by? Can we start cultivating a fuller sense of ourselves independent of our day jobs? In comes The Growth Year, a limited 12-episode podcast that flips the concept of the gap year into a growth year. It asks us to rebalance life over work, reminds us that change is the constant, offers a much-needed forced reset, and explores how we can rebuild and reframe our identities brick by brick. To start de-emphasizing an all-or-nothing mindset when it comes to what we do. So why did I create this mini-series? Because I wish I had someone by my side to guide my way, a mentor, someone who had been through it before, to share some insight that maybe could have helped make it easier. Our first episode drops on June 3rd, and stay tuned for weekly episodes every Tuesday morning. Ready? Let's go. Thanks for tuning into The Growth Year. The information shared on this podcast is for informational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute professional, legal, or financial advice. We encourage you to consult a qualified professional before making decisions related to your career, business, or personal development. All views expressed are those of the host and the guests and do not reflect any official position of their employers, past, present, or future, or organization. By listening, you agree not to hold the host or guest liable for any decisions you make based on what you hear. See you next time.